What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Hemi Life. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In today's title, as you guys can see, or in today's video, as you guys can see by the title and thumbnail, we're making a trip down to Ohio and we may or may not be buying a car. We're checking out a car. If you guys haven't seen, we did just recently sell the Mustang, so it's time for a new project, and we're looking at something very interesting. So right now at the gas station, we're filling up. We're taking the Jeep with us for this road trip, and yeah, we're gonna go check it out. Hopefully everything gets smooth, the car is in good condition, and we'll just go from there. So let's get on this road trip and I'll catch you guys in Ohio. Holy grail. Alright guys, so we are 0.4 miles away, 2 minutes away. We're about to pull up and we're gonna check out this brand new car. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna, if we end up liking it, we're gonna do some paperwork, and then I'll show you guys what kind of car it is, show you guys around, and then we're gonna make our way back home, which is another 3.5 hours, and then maybe tomorrow I'll show you guys some more. It depends on how much I show you today. But yeah, we're pulling up right now and we'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, so we just pulled up, we checked the car out, we talked with the owner, we got a ride in it, we drove it, we did all the good stuff, and we're making it happen. I got my uncle here, he's doing the money right now, they're transferring the title and whatnot. And before I show you guys the car, in the title you guys see it says we bought a car, or whatever the title says, it says we, it doesn't say I. Because just in the same situation as the Mustang wasn't fully mine, and this new car isn't really just mine, it's for me and my uncle. That's why you guys really didn't see it much on the channel, because I would drive it, my uncle would drive it, you know, blah blah blah. But we're gonna try to get this car more on the channel. But without further ado, let's introduce the new build for the channel. Alright, so there you guys go. Here is the new car for the channel that we will be driving and building together on the channel. Like I said, it is a 2009 Cadillac CTS-V with I believe the LTA supercharged motor. It makes 556 horsepower, I believe, I'm not too sure. And we are buying it. The guy has an intake on it and some lowering springs with these beautiful 20s on there. The black with the chrome looks so nice on this package. It's got the leather seats with the suede Alcantara. Nice steering wheel. It is missing some pedal shifters though, I'll tell you that. It's got a pop-up display, but we need the key. Beautiful, you know, Cadillac. It's Cadillac stuff, you feel me? It also has a Corsa exhaust, Corsa axle back, if you can tell right there. so we'll get a start for you guys, maybe some rest. But here it is, man. We're, like I said, my uncle right now, he's cashing them out, signing the title, and then yeah, we'll do some rolling shots on the freeway as we're driving it back. And by the time we get back, it's probably gonna be too late to record anything, so I'll probably pick you guys up tomorrow. Enjoy. Alright guys, so we got the key over here, so let's go ahead, give it a start. Just a little course the axle back. We might give it a mid-muffler delete. Let's do some revs. Sounded good, but you guys want to hear something better? God damn. Hold on, here we go. Listen to this. Let's hear it more from the inside. Alright, let's turn this thing off, man. God damn. So yeah, man, you guys stay tuned. We're gonna have some fun with this thing. Alright guys, so somebody tell me why my uncle is taking us home through these Ohio neighborhoods. I don't know where the hell he's going, so I'm supposed to just follow him since the car doesn't have a plate. But I don't know, man, look where he's taking us. Damn, that thing looks nice though. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm most likely gonna pick you guys up at a gas station, and then yeah, we'll see. Alright guys, so here it is. We're about to fill it up right now with some fresh 93 and make our way back. And yeah, once again, just here's a little quick walk around of it. So yeah, I'll show you guys more in depth and maybe a first drive in the next coming videos and when we get home. So for right now, I'll catch you guys when we get to Dearborn or to Michigan, whatever. Here we go. Alright you guys, we are now home, as you can tell, and basically that's about it. Hold on one second. So yeah, we got the car home, we parked it up, and pretty much that's about it for today. Just to let you guys know, we bought the car, it is at home, and today is Friday, so hopefully Monday we'll transfer the registration off the Mustang to it, and then we'll put some insurance on it, and it'll be ready to go. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos for you guys. We have a lot planned for it, and for the first drive video coming up here soon once we get it registered and insured. So stay tuned. It's about to be a lot of bangers. A lot of parts are coming in for the Charger as well. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell. It's been your boy Hammy Life. Peace out.